かかってこい。俺だってもっと強くなりたかった。死ぬのが俺一人でよかった。死にたくない。もう一度チャンスがある。
We will see if he gets another chance or not. But first, let me introduce you to its, spoiler alert, top 3 shadows, or the one who will command his army of shadows. Billion, Igris and Beru. Through this clip made in Canva, you also can use it to present your teammates to the panelist. Let's go. Take a mobile video canvas, turn it to a darker color. Add text, meet the team or marshals, in a bold and curved font like iron rust. Take a rectangle at the bottom of the page and a pill shape on top of it. Then duplicate them 2 times as we have only 3 marshal in solo library. For the sake of match and move, add character's image, Bellion, Igris and Beru. Drag them to the bottom of the page. Remove them from sight, that is, send them behind the rectangles. Again, for match and move, write character's name and reduce transparency to 0. Then change the color of rectangles. You may use any triad of colors, using adobe.color or color.io, or choose yourself. Then duplicate the page. Increase transparency of names and set them in the pills we made. Bring our characters on screen and drag the text as shown after reducing size. Add a circular gradient behind the first 2 images, acting as a separator. Next, duplicate the page. Drag first 2 characters down and behind. Drag the pills with text and the top rectangle as shown. Add a rectangle of darker shade with curved edges for character information and add character name on top. Then duplicate the page. Drag the name out of the frame and delete the character information. Bring back the pills and rectangles to their original position, and more importantly, bring the next color of rectangle on top. Drag Bellion's image down and Igris' image up. Also, add a background and a gradient for separator. Duplicate the page. Drag pills and rectangles. Delete background. Add name on top. Add rectangle with character information. Then repeat the process for the next one. Add, match and move between all these clips and adjust clip timings until it is as smooth as you want it to. Here's the output. I hope you understood it and will add it to your project presentations or proposals where you need to introduce your team members. Thank you for watching and make a wonderful day.